Girl, winter is here, and that means one thing and one thing only. It's curl season. And for that reason, and that reason only, I'm gonna tell you, you need this wig, okay? Like, you definitely need this one in your collection. It's glueless, easy to install, but I'm gonna give you the tea. This hair is from Yulisa Hair, and they sent me this baggie with goodies, you know, the usual HD cap, fancy lashes, a melting band, and a Yulisa Hair silk scarf, you know, just to give you that extra melt. Here's the tea. This is the 22-inch 5x5 HD closure lace wig. Yes, another glueless install from the infamous Bali with the good hair. This wig is pre-bleached and the hairline is pretty natural. It is very easy to secure because it's got this silicone holding strap. That means your wig is going to stay in place forever and ever until you take it off. My makeup is done. I look cute as a snack, baby. And we're going to go ahead and put the wig right on. I know my cornrows look like a mess, but girl, it's winter and it's rather cold to be doing wash days, but I'm gonna get it right. Because the lace is a little bit on the yellow side, I'm going to be going in with a contour powder. You guys would know I do this to all my glueless wigs, applying that contour powder onto the lace. And yeah, I'm just going to keep applying until all that yellow is masked and I know the lace is going to blend into my skin. Once that is done, I'm going to go ahead and put this wig on my big old head. Alright, and that's it. You can see it's a closure wig, so if you're a beginner wig installer, this is going to work out very well for you. It's going to be pretty simple. All we have to do is cut the lace and flatten out the front, and you'll be looking snazzy just like me in no time. Once I've placed the wig and it's sitting pretty comfortably, like in place, then I am going to go ahead and comb the hairs back. There's a lot of hairs on the front and I don't want to cut them away when I cut my lace, so I'm using a rat tail comb. It's got fine teeth, and just combing the hair back so I can see where exactly I need to cut that lace, right? This hair is very soft, you guys. It is super soft. Minimal shedding because, well, it is curly hair, but I want to see how well the curls hold after a couple of washes. But I'm honestly obsessed. It is nice and full. Now I'm going to use my hair spritz just to apply to the front of that wig so I can hot comb the hairs back. Remember, you guys, I got a new hot comb. This one is from Discam. I think I showed it in one of my vlogs, but I'm just using that to slick those hairs back and out of the way so that I can go ahead and cut the lace. And as you can see, I did not pluck that hairline. It came like that. Like, it looks bomb. The hairline really does look good. Well done, Yulisa Hair. You guys really did a good job with this one. I am super impressed with the hairline. Once that is done, I'm going to cut away the side tabs of the lace. Doing this really does make your wigs lay better, and it also makes it blend, so you can't really see where the closure starts and ends. I always do this with all my closure wigs because it just makes it more seamless. And then once that is done, I am going to go ahead and cut off the lace. The trick here is to use a very small scissor. These I got from a manicure set I got from Pip. It just works out a lot better, right? But yeah, once that part is done, it's going to be very easy for me to cut away at the lace. You can't really see the lace. That's how well it's blending. Like, you can barely see it on camera where I'm cutting away. But yeah, we're getting rid of that excess lace. voila, excess lace is gone. This wig is laying. I mean, guys, look at that. I'm loving it already. Tell me what you think in the comments. Would you try this wig? Are you also a beginner? Do you think you would manage with this glueless install? Let me know. Like, I'm pretty curious. Sidebar, I know some of you don't like watching the hair videos, but hair videos are paid content for me, and we need that shmoney, honey, so we can pay the bills. So I'm sorry if you don't like the hair content, but this just helps me to pay the bills for the channel, getting new equipment and the like. But also, I have always been in love with wigs and hair, so I enjoy doing this content, and I just thought I should mention that. So I'm flattening it out. I'm flattening out the closure. I'm using a hair spritz and my hot comb again, just to flatten it out in the front there so it doesn't look as bulky as it was in the beginning. Honestly speaking, try and do that. If you don't have a hot comb, you can use mousse and like a very fine tooth comb. You apply the mousse and then you comb it down with a fine tooth comb. You can tie it with a silk scarf or a head scarf, whatever you have, and it will flatten. You don't need a hot comb. A hot comb is nice to have. But yeah, you can see my closure is flat. I'm just trying to get my pot right. I'm not the type that uses concealer in my pots. I don't know why. I just don't like it. It kind of looks a little bit too bright and messy for me. So I'm just good with, you know, leaving the knots out as bleached. Combing out my curls because I'm a big hair kind of girl. I love it when my curls are like lush and plumped up. That is just a me thing. So brushing them out with this comb that I got from Cosmetic Connection. It's not a comb, it's a brush. It's like a curl brush. I saw all the girlies use it on TikTok and I went ahead and I bought it. And as you can see, these curls, man, these curls, you guys. I am obsessed. Yeah, obsessed is the word. So I went ahead and spritzed my hair with some, it's just water and a little bit of conditioner. I use the Tresemme moisture conditioner for my curls. It just works better for me. And I'm just gonna lightly spritz it. Not really gonna apply a lot of product onto the hair because it doesn't really need it. But if I did, it will be curl defining custard from Jackie and a little bit of serum. I'm not really into mousse these days, but yeah, as you can see, this hair didn't need much. I am loving it, you know. To all the girls that say curls were made for me and I was made for curls, I finally believe you guys, because wow, a girl is looking stunning in these curls. I'm going to leave all the details for you in the description box down below. Check that out because there will be a discount code and sometimes you get coupons in there. Let me know if you will be buying this wig from Yulisa Hair, and please do share what you think of this wig on your girl. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please be sure to leave me a big like and a nice comment down below. I will see you guys in the next one.